Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. We have a good looking vehicle in front of us today. Today we're going to look at a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT in a brownish, purplish metallic exterior. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you'll take notice of are these gorgeous LED headlights. And then as we make our way right below that, you'll see that it also comes with running LED fog lights. And that beautiful chrome bumper here in the front. Then as we make our way towards the middle, you'll see that beautiful black roll insert along with more of that chrome trim and that beautiful chrome look here in the front. And then finally here for that front end, you'll see that beautiful Ford patented blue logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, there are a couple of things to point out here on the exterior. Number one being the added convenience of having running boards for getting in and out of the vehicle. And then here on your rear view mirrors, they will be heated, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. Moving forward, though, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful premium cloth gray interior. And then as we turn around here to our dash, you'll see that beautiful black dash finish with some of this lighter gray here on the bottom part next to where the glove box is. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Ford F-150, your tire depths will be 8 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 12 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes also being 12 and 32 seconds. Here in that back seat now, this beautiful premium cloth gray interior will stay consistent back here as well. And there's a couple of things to point out back here as well. Behind your driver and passenger seat, you will have your own individual air vents, as well as a 12-volt plug-in up top, 2 USB ports, and a 400-watt outlet. Not to mention there are 2 cup holders up top as well. And then there is also WeatherTech lined mats throughout this entire vehicle, so don't ever worry about it getting dirty or messing up the carpet. Here at the rear now, a couple of things to point out back here as well. You are going to have parking sensors back here, so don't ever worry about backing up in anything. You also are going to have a hitch and receiver for all of your hauling needs. And then it also is going to come up with a backup camera, so you really don't have to worry about backing up in anything. But while we're back here, let's go ahead and drop the tailgate for you guys, showing you guys this bed. This is going to come with a beautiful drop-in bed liner with that hardened plastic. And then you also are going to have your typical hooks back here for strapping down anything you can possibly think of. And then something else for your added convenience of getting in and out of the bed, you are going to have a step up here. You'll just go ahead and press that button in. You'll pull this little contraption out. And then, so I'm about 177 pounds. And I'm going to go ahead and step up here for you guys. And it holds my weight pretty well. So don't ever worry about that. Before showing you some of the interior features of the vehicle, I do just want to point out that here on your driver's side door, you will have keyless entry as well. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle now, you will have power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up there on your driver display from Ford. And you'll also notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 91,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, down below, you will have all of your headlight adjustments as well as the brightness to your driver display. Down below, you'll also have the option to change the height of your pedal and your parking brake down there as well. The left knob behind your steering wheel are going to be all your windshield wiper adjustments as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your beautiful shifter knob. Here on the left side of your steering wheel, you are going to have some options for your driver display as well as your cruise control options down below. And then here on the right side, you are going to have some manual options for your middle display as well as your touch to talk. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation there as well. Go ahead and show you guys that. Perfect. And then as I mentioned previously, it is also going to come with a backup camera. Now, above your middle display here, you are going to have some different options related to your cruise control, your traction control, 4-ways, and your parking sensors. Then if you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, you are going to have some manual options down here below that. To the left of that, you'll have your 2 high, 4 low option, as well as your trailer backup. To the right of that trailer backup, you're going to have the climate control to touch your fingertips. Not to mention these front seats are heated. And then over here to the right, you are going to have a 12-volt plug-in and a 400-watt outlet as well. Down below, you're going to have a large storage compartment with 2 USB ports. Some more storage here with 2 cup holders. And then here in the middle, you are going to have a large center console. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top, you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger. You're going to have a sunglass holder here in the middle. And then located up front, you are going to have the option to open and close your rear window. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 FDOHC 24V engine. You also notice that our engine base comes extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. And like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. This front passenger tire is in great condition, no curb rash on that. Coming back here towards the body, here next to the antenna, you are going to have a slight imperfection there. Coming back here along the body, no scratches, no marks, no dings along the body. It's in great condition. Coming back here along the rear wheel well, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. It is in great condition as well. You are going to have some slight scratches up here next to your bed. That is typical in all of these trucks. Coming around here, you are going to have some rear tailgate scratches here on the end. Go ahead and drop these down. You are going to have some up top as well. The bed is in great condition though, not hardly used at all, to be honest. Go ahead and putting that back up. There, once again, you are going to have some typical bed scratches up top here as well. However, the body back here next to the rear wheel well is in great condition. There is a slight imperfection here as well, as you can see. This rim is in great condition. No curb rash on that as well. Coming down here along the body, once again, no scratches, no marks. There is a slight imperfection here along the bottom. And then this front driver's tire is in great condition as well. No curb rash on that either. This was an extremely clean 2018. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.